Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about benefits of eating fruits. Eating fruits has many health benefits, including sources of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fruits contain various vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber such as vitamin A, B, B1, B6, and C. Source of antioxidants. Most of the vitamins and mineral in fruits act as antioxidants. Maintain digestive health. The fiber, air, and antioxidant content in fruit helps maintain and antioxidant content in fruit helps maintain a healthy digestive system. Maintain bone health. Some fruits contain potassium, which helps neutralize acid and in the body and maintain calcium levels in the bones. Reduce the risk of disease. Consuming fruit regularly can reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, stroke, and cancer. Health. Fruit can help maintain eye health and prevent aging-related eye disease, cataract, and macular degeneration, lower cholesterol and blood pressure. Eating fruit can lower bad cholesterol levels in the body and lower blood pressure. Maintain weight. Eating fruit can help maintain ideal body weight. External medicine. Fruits can also be used for external medicine such as acne and boils. Okay, I think that's enough. If there are any mistakes, you can correct me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.